Uh, Friends, anyway, I think this is a very good mobilization. Uh, I think there is a serious problem with a lot of this the policy orientation in several governments. Internationally, also we saw how Trump thinks of Palestine as a real estate property, and here also a university, which is a place of knowledge. Lot of the governance or policy makers don't seem to understand what is the relevance of it. So they look at it in a pure, utility terms as to why do these fellows really require so much of land, what do they do with it, and why not really, convert it into real estate property, because it has become center of the urban space, and it's a booming place. I think this kind of an orientation, when we were students, this was quite outside the city premises, and to reach this place, we would have to, pass through almost uninhabited places, and then reach the university campus. But over the period of time, because of the high-tech city, because of a variety of these developments all around, this has become a prime kind of a land. And now there is a lot of this hunger that the reality companies have for this land. And I'm sure there are a lot of those, interdependencies of funding of the parties and so on that happen with the mainstream political parties, and that's the kind of background. But this particular policy has actually been promulgated during the previous government, the BRS government, and I don't see a reason why the Congress should actually go ahead with it. If it has come, with the slogan that BRS has really ignored the interests of Telangana and so on. This particular university has had that kind of a lineage. It has the history linked to the Telangana movement in a sense, because of course it's linked to the conflict between the coastal Andhra and the Telangana populations. But the fact that it has been located in Telangana and it is seen as one of the premier institutions with global reputation, I think one has to really take pride in that. The space as such should be seen, in terms of a much larger kind of a relevance than pure, kind of a commodity. And it's a lung space of the urban, area. We are left with very little, trees or biodiversity. There's so much of value that is associated with this space. And that's the reason why we had a very intelligent, first vice chancellor who built a wall all around. I think he just left one part, and that's where they have started entering from. And I think this protest has to be taken to a much higher level. We should contact all our previous, even the retired faculty, our alumnus, and then build a movement over a period of time to bring adequate pressure. Maybe teachers, students, the non-teaching staff together, we can write to the central leadership of the Congress party, appealing to them that this is not proper, and we condemn this kind of orientation. Now I request my other colleagues to speak. Thank you.